Well, hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I've been looking to open some Marvel trading cards for a while now. I always get the itch. Most often, I think they have pretty decent product, and of course, I'm a Marvel fanboy. If you've been watching the channel for a bit. I've opened some DC stuff, which also was great, but yeah, I wanted to do Marvel again. But at least for the most recent stuff, it's pretty much insane on the pricing side, and as everything. And um, yeah, also getting older product is not easy to obtain, but I've managed to get one of these. I was looking actually, I was looking forward to open these beginnings. I think this is a neat set, good idea. This is I think it's from 22, right? Something like that. 23. So we do have volume 2, series 1. We do have 9 cards per pack, 15 packs per box, and one premium insert per pack. Not sure of these on average. Of course, everything's premium, but yeah, let's see what we are looking for. We have, of course, the base set, and I like, highlighting this. So more often than not, I'm not a huge fan of recycled artwork, but in this case, it absolutely does make sense. So I like that in this case. So of course, we will have parallels. We have rainbow foils, blue rainbow cosmic cube. So we do have some numbered cards here. We do have weird odds 1 to 7.5. So we will have a team formation in year 1, cosmic alpha, some flipped FX blue. So now we are getting to the interesting stuff. So there's also a gold numbered 1 to 1. We do have 1 to 165. We have super rares 1 to 350, and we have hyper rares in this case 1 to 660. Not sure if we will pull these, but this is just for fun. I like the product. It's been a while for me opening an upper deck product, so uh, I still like what they're doing, but of course, mainly I'm focused on either TCGs or sports cards. Um, so I haven't had this in a while. So without further ado, let's get into it and start. There you go. This is our display. I already like the Dakion Hulk illustration. So let's start with the first pack on the right side. So 5 in each row. Here's the pack. Still again the odds here. And there could be redemptions. So they would be still valid as of now. So let's see. Of course, I'm not a big fan of redemptions, but it's even worse when they have expired. So first pack, let's see, Quicksilver, and I will try to name the artists, kinda. I will butcher names left and right, so bear with me. Decent cards, decent stock. I like the design. It's pretty clear. Old school, of course. Don Heck maybe, Quicksilver, and I'm blanking on the first artist, Paco Medina, I guess. So I'll stick with that. Here's the back. So yeah, something you should know about the character, some milestones here. It's a base, so this is always neat. I wish, a sports card would also, I mean, they do here and there, but also tell you on the card if it's actually base or parallel or stuff, because, things are getting crazy. So yeah, this is not bad. We do have a black cat, J. Scott Campbell, old school down in the back. And this is, I mean, this, brings me back to my childhood. This is iconic, if you ask me. So we're good here. I like the character, Fin Fang Foom. Not sure about this. Could be Frank Cho. So we do have a variation of Collective Man, Greg Land. And I like the old school illustration. So we do have a golden border. We have a red base variation. We do have a Terry Dodson, Professor X, and card is dinged already. Not liking that. So blue base. So we do have, of course, parallels. Let's see how crazy this will get. We have deep lore. So these are the inserts. I mean, this is really deep. Multi-core. So we are looking at brute force characters, man. This takes me back a bit. Not sure if this is a new illustration. So we do have deep lore, DLWP. So inserts. Do have a Rob Payne's, I guess, beginning stone. So I like also if they get into the more obscure characters. So we have had our insert and variations in the middle of the pack. So Onslaught, not sure on the artist. And Throg, I'm missing. I guess this was Igara. Of course, for me, I would like to have artist credits. I mean, they don't have to, of course. Marvel owns the artwork, and yeah, but it would be neat. So, Ex Nihilo, pretty new character out of the Hickman run. Not sure on the artist. You have Mr. Negative, could be Ron Garney. Arachne, I like the character, the run. Pretty cool lizard card. I like the transformation going on. This is Kamakoli. But yeah, some of the edges are a bit dinged. I guess this has been thrown around a bit. Drax. Old school Blake Talon. This could be John Buscema. Really old school Jessica Jones. I like this. So we do have two red parallels. Taboo, red base, and we do have one. What is this? It's not just silver, it's a bit, like a refractor. It's flipped FX, of course it is. I like the card though, Man Thing, old school, Steve Gerber, Man Thing. I'll take it. I like the weirder stuff. So far, not bad. I'm not too happy about the price of the box, but yeah, let's see. So far, it's nice. Black Spectre, I think Mark Texera. So we have our first dupe of Jessica Jones. We do have a foreigner. Looks like Ed McGuinness. Pretty cool card though. It is. Is it? Not able to make out the signature. Thought I was able to cheat. Constrictor. Could be John Romita Jr. No, it's not. Not sure on that one. Purple Man, Tim Sale. Great Villain. And Princess Python. We do have a foreigner red parallel. We do have a Manifold, and Caselli should be the artist. And we do have an insert of A Point in Time. So yeah, I'm so far I like that it's old school, but Yeah, I'm not too high on the inserts, on the design. I like the idea, but not the best inserts so far, of course. So we do have alloy. Not sure who that is. Also the character, Collective Man again, Beta Ray Bill, pretty cool artwork, blanking on the artist's name, Dougie Braithwaite, I guess. Jack of Hearts, I always liked him as a character. Human Torch, could be Nick Bradshaw. Searcher, trying to remember, could be Lionel Francis Yu, but I guess it's not. Could also be La Rocca. So we do have an Ant-Man, more recent one, and we do have the same one in black. So black base parallel. And we do have illustration boards. I like this because this is not glossy, so and really is a cool insert here. But there's a lot. This is, 41. So good luck getting a set. And I guess this was Scott Hepburn. So 1/3 of the box in the books. Not sure how we are doing, but it's fun. So dupe of Manifold, Goliath, Pilgrim. Not sure who that is, but this is some glorious 90s artwork. The Wither. Also old school hand-eye. Pepper Potts, and I remember reading this, but it wasn't the best run. So Loy again, still blanking on the artist. This could be, looks like Kevin Nolan a bit, or Coppell. I guess it's Coppell. So, another one of the reverse FX. So I remember the run here, the 90s run, but yeah, don't remember the artist. Was the Mark Grunwald run. Ron Wilson, I guess. Someone like that. Johnny Watts. Could be a mutant here. The Hood, pretty decent. I think Diodato Jr. Sin, daughter of Red Skull, of course. We have a Shocker. Could be, oh, it's not Mark Bagley, but Steve Lieber could be Thanos. Josh Shaw, I guess. And the Regular Man Thing. Mr. Negative Red. We have the Watcher Blue. Blue base. Rodriguez, right? Deep Law Weapon Plus. Steven Segovia. Of Dakin. Butchered this pack. So, Shadrach, also newer character, at least I thought. Oh, there you go, at least for me. So it could be Assad Rivage. Sentinels, you know those. Farrell, X-Men character, Mystique. Jean Grey, could be Bradshaw also. Nick Bradshaw. Proteus, blanking on the artist, but he's a decent one. I think the current, or before they restarted, current X-Men artist, I will remember sometime. Graviton, I always loved this villain. I love the West Coast Avengers, so I like this. And we do have a black Cassandra Nova. Not bad. But man, these edges are rough. So there's nothing to grade in here, I think, if everything is so rough. So yeah, but if you order online, this can happen. Of course, it can happen before, but yeah. Wendigo illustration boards, at least for these, they could mention the artist. Nope, they don't. But I like these so far. These, for as far as insets go, these are my favorites. We have Summoner also from the Hickman run. Yeah. And I'm thinking this is a new character, but we are talking about 5 years. So yeah, time is fleeting. Jealous, future Spider-Man mix, Graviton, Odin. I like this illustration. Could be Diodato. Killmonger. Do I have this one? I like the red here. And we have Dread Knight, also a weird 90s character, at least for me. I like it. So it's a 70s character, but for me it's 80s. Dread Knight, okay. Not bad. And at least so far for these, the edges look all right. Moonstar, Josh Christopher, could be. Hope Summers, Blackout, talking about 90s, this should be Mark Bagley. We've seen this one, also this one. So now we are getting some dupes. Texera, again, Black Spectre, Beta Ray Bill. And we do have a signature. So Mark Waid's signature, I don't mind at all. I really like Mark Waid, and yeah, he's still one of the more of the better riders. He's relevant. I really like this run, so not bad. I'm not complaining. So let's see if this is something. I mean, you know, the edges don't look that great. So this is the downside here. But and I'm also usually not for grading, but this could be one. So we do have a, because I can't count, do I? Not really sure. Let's keep this in the slot. So we have Star, also the newer character. Like what they did with her on Captain Marvel. So not a bad new character. Kate Bishop, of course, you need her. Cardinal, Mark Bagley, 90s, whatever, I guess, New Warriors artwork or something like that. I like it. Valkyrie, blanking on the artist here. Ego. I like the illustration here. Really cool card. We have Scorpion. Killmonger as a red parallel, and we have Chameleon. Checheto artwork. Okay, team formations. Looks like rip at least these two. So Heroes for Hire. Team formation insert. Moving on. Callisto. Slingshot, not sure on this character. Shield character, Cassandra Romulus. I like that they have this box from the cover and the Shield logo on here. I like it. A 90s book, so not sure on that. Not sure if I haven't, if I have read it. So yeah, no worries here. Abomination. You have a Craven, could be Paco Medina. Diablo. old school FF villain. I also like him, but it seems like there's not much you can do with him. Shocker red. We do have Taboo black. Okay, not the best one, but this is a beautiful card. Enchantress. But again, yeah, just rainbow. So this is rainbow. The other one was reverse FX, also rainbow. So for me, it looked the same, but it's not. This is flipped FX. This is rainbow, of course. Now I know. Yeah, winding up. Something green, flash there, Gregland, Dazzler, and Rick Leonardi, I guess, the smaller one. This looks like, I mean, it's Rogue. I'm not sure who that is. A Husk. So we are still getting new cards here, which is good news. Thundra. We have a Red Skull. Looks great. Gypsy Moth. Also a character I was not expecting here. So we are going deep here. Nightshade character. So Ex Nihilo, I actually like this. We do have Proteus red, and there's something here. Red Guardian. Really great looking card. So this is numbered to 61. Let's see what the odds were. 60 of 61. Green Rainbow. Green Rainbow Mirror World. Okay, but not the biggest character to pull. But I take it. Not sure on what that could be worth. So just checking the numbering 1 to 60. So this one, Green Rainbow World, 1 to 15. Okay, 1 to 15. There's other variations, so at least this seems to be the lower numbered one. Bats, I like him. Pretty cool. Doctor Strange character. Stingray, liked him as a kid. Jubilee, Tiger Shark, could be Medina also. We have a pretty red looking Wolverine and Damon Hellstrom. So I like that we still are getting new cards. Kate Bishop red, Thanos red, and one of those illustration boards. Needs Captain Marvel. Songbird, sorry. Yep. So 2 packs left. Let's see. But I'm actually glad with this box. The only downside for me is the dinged corners. Emin, Jack-o'-lantern, Stanley, no, it's profile. Baron Blood, really decent illustration. Cyclops and Dawan Shikari, wasn't he called something else? Eric the Red. Brad Booth artwork, it looks like. Not sure on this one, maybe I forgot. Cardinal, we do have a pretty cool Blade one. Wouldn't mind Moon Knight also. So here's he. And for me, this seems like a quality control issue. And we do have a beginning, so Stormbreaker. I like how they included the cover artwork here. I'm pretty sure this is Walt Simonson. So legendary run here, pretty decent, updated artwork. So Cosmic Alpha. Haven't seen this insert. So final pack. You don't need here anymore. Fingers crossed. Already flashed this. The Maker, I like the character. Echo, David Mack, and Quesada, I guess. Spot, Man Bull, so MODOK. And Kingpin looks like, could be, no, it's not John Cassaday, it's someone else. So, looks like I would need to get another one. Man Thing, red, and Collective Man also in blue. And our final one is Ego, old school. I like this one. This is Kirby. He did some weird collages back in the day. And it's flipped FX. So, okay. Not bad, not bad. So I will show you a bit what we got. This is obvious. So the numbered card. This is not numbered, but it's signed by Mark Waid, sticker auto. But I'll take it. Some of the inserts, I like this the best. So these were my favorites here. No glossy stock, so I'm good here. Our black parallels are, I guess this is the best one. Again, aside from the inked edges, I am really happy with this. So we do have 2 rainbows. I like this the best. And 3 flipped FX. This is my favorite here. So let me know. Did we do good? Or was this a subpar box? I haven't seen a lot of these. Because I'm late. Fashion will be as always. But yeah, I liked it. Already thinking about buying another one. So as you do. But yeah, so, did you pull something great out of these? I think this is for the PC. I really like Mark Waid and the run. So I guess I will just sleeve this up and yeah, add it to the PC. So again, thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe. Please also turn on the notifications and join me for the next video. Have a good one. Take care.